Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server status and that your account credentials are correct, because authentication errors often mimic network faults. Next, restart your device and power cycle the router. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then power on to clear transient network caches. Once done, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is local. This distinguishes ISP or router issues from app or server problems. Keep your app version noted for the next steps. Now you perform deeper checks. Clear the game cache or app data, but ensure your account is linked to an email, platform ID, or cloud save so nothing is lost. Then flush local DNS, either reboot the router or run ipconfig/flushtons on PC, because stale DNS records can block server resolution. If that fails, try a reputable VPN or change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP routing. This can reveal whether the path to game server. Finish by ensuring your OS, network drivers, and the Marvel Rivals app are fully updated, because mismatched versions can prevent handshakes. Make updates and reboot. If updates don't help, reinstall the game to replace corrupted files. When you contact support, include timestamps, server status, and the exact steps you tried so they can reproduce the issue quickly. If things still fail, try the VPN test one more time. It's often the quickest indicator of routing or ISP blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.